Mastering one problem allows you to solve a whole type of problem. Let's look at the second grade logic question. Many first grade students, over 90% of them, tend to get this question wrong. Now, let's look at the question. A piece of wood is 27 centimeters long and needs to be cut into sticks that are 3 centimeters each. Each cut takes 3 minutes, and after each cut, you rest for 2 minutes. How many minutes does it take to finish all the cuts? This is a problem about intervals. So let's take a look at the spacing problem. So when we are faced with this problem, how many times do we actually need to make a cut in order to end up with a specific certain number of pieces? Let's think about it for a moment. Alright, before we start cutting, there's only one piece. After we make the first cut, you see it becomes 2 pieces. When we make the second cut, if we cut the wood twice, it becomes 3 pieces. So we can see that the difference between the number of saws and the number of segments is 1. So we can get that the number of saws is equal to the number of segments minus 1. Alright, using this concept to solve the problem, we know that this piece of wood is 27 centimeters long, and we want to cut it into sticks that are 3 centimeters long. So here, if we divide, we get 9 pieces. Okay, then how many times were the 9 sections sawed in total? That is 9 minus 1 equals 8 cuts. Okay, let's draw a stick to make it more concrete. Okay, so in total we need to make 8 cuts. 1 cut, 2 cuts, 3 cuts, 4 cuts, 5 cuts, 6 cuts, 7 cuts, 8 cuts. Now, the problem tells us that for each cut, it takes 3 minutes. So the time spent on cutting is 3 minutes per cut. Oh, and each segment is 3 centimeters. Each segment is 3 centimeters. And rest. Break time. After every 3 minutes of sewing, you take a 2-minute break, and so on. After the break, you saw the next segment, and again, after a 2-minute break, you saw the next segment saw for 3 minutes, then rest for 2 minutes, and so on, until you get to the 8th cut, which also takes 3 minutes. But after the 8th cut, we don't saw again, it's already finished, so there's no need for another break. Oh, so you need to be careful here. A lot of kids make mistakes at this point. Alright, now we can calculate the total time. In total, there are 8 cuts, each taking 3 minutes, so that's 24 minutes. And there are 7 breaks, each lasting 2 minutes, which adds up to 14 minutes. So, to finish all the sawing, it takes 24 minutes plus 14 minutes, for a total of 38 minutes. Did you understand that? If you've learned it, please give Teacher Sunny a like and follow.